Welcome back, my friends, to another non-phone data entry work from home job lead. Real quick, if you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. That way you never miss another daily upload from me. But we will keep today's video very short, sweet, and to the point. The company Imagine Learning is hiring a part-time data entry specialist. Now, Imagine Learning is a company that together they support educators in creating special moments with students and experience the joy of learning at its best. They say they serve 10 million students and they partner with more than 7,500 school districts nationwide. They are looking for a data entry specialist to support the print team to verify and correct shipping address data, working with sales, CSMs, and customers. This position facilitates excellent customer service experience by ensuring that customer addresses and shipping details are correct in their order management system. So you will research customer address requirements, determine if orders are shipping to one address or to multiple addresses, and verify those details for deliveries. You'll update addresses and shipping details. You'll communicate and document logistics of sales order delivery, and you'll display a high level of confidence and provide a professional tone in all your communications. This is a regular part-time position. This is based out of your home office. It is work from home, and you must be in the United States. However, they do not state any state restrictions, so I believe this is for all 50 states of the United States. Now, they do not require a college degree. However, they do require a high school diploma or equivalent, and they would like someone with 1 to 2 years of data entry experience working with customers, or an acceptable combination of education and experience. They want someone who has great organization and time management skills, who has a high degree of accuracy and exceptional problem-solving skills. They also need someone who has great written and verbal communication skills, as well as someone who can work with Microsoft Office, Excel, Word, etc. Now, unfortunately, they do not provide the salary for this position. However, they do note that they have several benefits, including health, dental, vision plans, 401k, they have paid time off, and it says paid volunteer hours, annual giving events, and much more is listed down below. Now, I did investigate a little bit on their Glassdoor page, and I couldn't find any data entry specific job titles to look for salary estimates. However, I was just taking a glance at their reviews, and it looks like a great place to work. Of course, there are mixed reviews. You've got people who love it there, and you've got people who hate it there. That's with all companies. However, there are quite a few good reviews saying they did meaningful work, but the organization went through changes. Great place to work, a fantastic opportunity. So I'm going to leave their Glassdoor page link down below. Also, if you want to take a look at any reviews. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.